since I've since I've got my Google Business app, I have been inundated with clients. Um,
How
yeah,
exciting is that?
I know, I know, I know. Like it's like I'm turning away people. I'm like turning away people because I can't do them all.
Yep.
Which is really a good complaint.
This is absolutely amazing. Just having a look at all the foundational and fundamental things that we've set up, like getting all the
Yeah.
foundations right, the
Mhm,
basics right, getting the
mhm.
the title, the language, everything right, and then being
Yeah,
able to go online and
yeah,
effectively communicate it. And then
yeah.
it's like, yes.
Oh my goodness. I had seriously, so we met up last Thursday. Was it last Thursday? It was,
Yeah.
yeah, we did. And Friday, Friday, 4 o'clock, I got this an email, and then I got another email, and then about 2 hours later, I got another email, and then I had another lady ring me saying, I'm desperate to talk. Can you please ring me?
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God, what's happened?
This is cool. So the thing is, this is awesome. This is super exciting. But there are ways that we can funnel them. There's systems and processes we can put into place to qualify people and just to continue to build your email list. But also, this is a great sign that, this is where we might be ready for group work. This is where
Yeah,
we might be ready for online coursework. So,
yeah,
this is great. This is exactly what we want.
yeah. So
That's in one week.
I know, like it wasn't even a week. It was flipping one day. It doesn't mean we had we had
I
meetings.
had I had another practitioner was exactly the same. She was like, because she homeschools kids, so she was like, I just want 9 clients a week, and
Hmm.
she had about 4 clients a week.
Hmm.
Did exactly the same thing, although hers happened in about 1 or 2 weeks. And then she got on our next call, and she was like, I can't believe it. Like I've got my nine. Like that's me. I'm done. Like I've got my 9 clients a week. So good.